Transform your life by changing your daily routines. You can't change your entire life in one night, but you can change your direction in one morning. One routine, one small choice, one decision to rise instead of sleep. Greatness isn't built in chaos, it's built in structure. If your days are out of order, so is your destiny. The hidden power of small habits. Your life is shaped by what you do daily, not what you do occasionally. 10 minutes of reading every morning, 1 book per month, 12 books a year. 10 minutes of meditation, mental clarity that changes your decisions. 10 push-ups a day, strength and discipline over time. Real life story 1, James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, struggled with recovery after a brutal accident in high school. He didn't rebuild his life with huge leaps, but with tiny daily changes. He started showing up at the gym 5 minutes a day, reading a page a night, writing a few paragraphs each morning. Today, he's a world-renowned author and speaker. Lesson: it's not about doing more, it's about doing it consistently. Daily distractions are daily destruction. What you allow into your day builds your life. If your mornings are filled with nonsense, your life will be filled with noise. Distraction is not a break, it's a trap disguised as entertainment. Real life story 2. Sarah, a young graduate, said she had no time to work on her business idea. But when she tracked her habits, she realized 3 hours a day on social media, 1.5 hours on Netflix, constant texting, and meaningless browsing. She replaced just 2 hours with focused reading and planning. In 6 months, she launched a coaching service that now earns her over $5,000 per month. Lesson: you do have time. You're just giving it away to the wrong things. Build a winning morning. The way you start your morning shapes the way you live your life. Success doesn't begin with luck. It begins with intentional mornings. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need a powerful routine. Suggested morning routine. Wake up early, before distractions take over. Drink water. Reboot your body. Move your body. Activate discipline. Read or journal. Feed your mind. Plan your top 3 goals for the day. Real life story 3. Robin Sharma, the author of The 5 a.m. Club, shares stories of CEOs and elite performers who wake up before 6 a.m. every day. Not because they have to, but because they choose to prepare before the world wakes up. Lesson: control your morning, or the world will control your day. Reprogram your mindset. If you don't program your mind, someone else will do it for you. Your thoughts become your habits become your reality. Daily reprogramming tools. Affirmations like, I am focused, I am growing, I am ready. Vision boards, images of the life you want. Listening to 5 minutes of wisdom each day instead of gossip. Real life story 4. Eric Thomas. Once homeless, failed high school, eating out of trash cans. He started waking up at 3 a.m., reading, speaking, believing. Now, he's one of the most powerful motivational speakers in the world. Lesson: your background doesn't define you, your routine does. The 30-day challenge that can change everything. You don't need a new year to start fresh, you need a new mindset. Try this. 30 days. Pick one bad habit to stop. Pick one powerful habit to start. Track your progress every day. In 30 days, you won't just feel better, you'll be better. Suggested habits: quit sugar or junk food. Add 20-minute walk every evening. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Reduce screen time by 1 hour. Start a gratitude journal. Why it works. Habits create momentum, tracking creates accountability. Change builds confidence. Final message: you are in control. No one is coming to rescue you. No magic moment is going to fix everything. But the truth is, you already have the tools. You already have the time. You already have the fire inside of you. Small routines build big dreams. Start today. Don't change everything. Just change one thing, and never stop showing up.